it's Lorna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I do this little bang because I've seen it interest you a bit. So as requested, I've made this video. I hope my instruction will be clear because I like to do tutorials, but you know what, when you are used to do something, it's a bit weird just to put words on it and to be clear, and my mind is a bit mess, as you know, lots of ideas and stuff in it, so hope I will be clear. Anyway, if you're interested in, keep watching. So what you will need for this tutorial, I will repeat it afterwards. You will need some hairspray, obviously, having your hair all curled, having a big comb, large comb, or it can work with a brush, and also wood. Wood is good because it does not electrify too much your hair. As you can see, I have a lot of little hair, so I prefer to use this rather than plastic. You can also have a rat comb if you are in the need to tease your hair, so I haven't any here to show you, but you can Google what is a rat comb. You also need a brush, soothing brush, which is, I will put the name here because I only know the name in French, and you will need obviously some bobby pins. So that is basically it, and you will need to have a firm grip. Okay, so here you are. You made all your curls with well, the way that you prefer. It could be foam rollers, it could be heating rollers. This is what I use. It's a bit difficult to show you because I need the plug, and my little installation to film and edit is a bit a mess for the moment, so there will be maybe a video later, but for the moment, yeah, I cannot show you how properly I do my set of rollers. But yeah, you can use foam rollers, heating rollers, curling iron, straightening iron, using in a curling way, yeah, lots of stuff, flat pins also. So this is my head, okay, so without any detangling. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna first brush it all out. So I use a very simple comb, which is in wood, so it electrify less your hair, you know, it's a bit less damaging for it. So then you can see already the shape that it gives. I like to have a part here, so sometimes I just, you know, I just take this and leave this this way. It's not really so much, as you can see, but today I want to show you. I have a problem with my makeup here. Anyway, we're talking hair today. So today I want to show you the bang that I had in a few previous videos. So just gonna put this apart so you can take a very large and triangle shape side. So this is gonna go there. Okay. I'm just gonna be a bit neat, a bit more neat like this. So just I did the part like this, so you can see there's a triangle shape. It's not really perfect, but this is what, because I had the part a bit more on the side, but if you really have a middle part, that will be perfect. Some people like to tease the hair, because if you have thin hair, you will prefer to tease your hair. Do not use a large comb like this, but use preferably a rat comb, which is with a tail, you know, and smaller picot. I don't know, we say picot in French. So yeah, not really this one, but still today I will just show you how I do it, and I don't use any teasing for this one. So I really have this, you know, this curling. You're not supposed to do all your hair. This is just because I like, you know, to have all the style all together. But if you just want to do this part, you can only curl this part. The thing is that you need to have this bouncy curl like this. It will help you afterwards. So my little bobby pins, so you will need lots of bobby pins like this, a spray, also hairspray, and a little bone donut, you know, that you can cut. Just you cut the, it depends on your eyebrow, so I'm just gonna get this here. So my eyebrow just lift up here, can you see? So if I want a bang that will suit me, the shape and length of this, which was actually a O shape, I cut it so that it's, you know, just proportionally okay with my eyebrow. So I cut this, and you will need this. So what I'm doing is that, okay, let's tease a bit because I think they are too clean, so I like to tease it a bit, and I put a bit of spray. You want to use also a brush like this, which is a more smoothing brush. Choose your hair. So let's begin. So you just have to really take it and stand still, and well, not you know, just not tear your hair, but really firmly. And then this will go in the middle. I don't know if you can see, and the middle part is just gonna roll, you know, because you have this roller bouncy shape of your hair before, so that helps a lot. So firmly you keep your hand tugging. It's a bit difficult to explain why doing it anyway. And then I'm just gonna pin it here. So that's the first one, another one, okay. And then I'm just gonna spread a bit my hair on the side. So then I just spread the hair on the side and pin it. I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, so you see, I spread my hair. Sorry, there's my hand just hiding everything. And then another pin. Okay, so for what you see on videos, it's like this. And sometimes you can, you know, see a bit here. This is why it's better if you have headbands or, you know, something that can hide a bit. If you have really thick hair, then I think you can, yeah, hopefully cover all the pieces that stands out. But sometimes it's a bit difficult to have those parts hidden. So this is why I'm trying to add more bobby pins so we see less. And sometimes those hair just go up, so I like to use a smaller bobby pin. I don't know why this one is brown, but still black will be better. And I just put it here on the top and pushing it here, so this is flatter. Okay. Okay, and then just for my hair here, I like them to go really as the flow. So you see I still have the part here, and sometimes I put a bit of hairspray so it gives me more volume also. And sometimes you can also tease a bit, so that brings you more volume. But yeah, for my clean hair, I made my shampoo yesterday, I believe, so that's why it's a bit more silky, you know. I don't know how often you wash your hair, but I like to wash them once a week. And so I think in, you know, maybe the second or third day is better, not waiting where they're really too oily for this part, because this part will be weird. This part can be okay with oily hair because you put the bun inside, so basically you don't see anything. I'm just gonna put another one here. Okay, and yeah, so that's basically it. Tell me if you have any other, you know, requests or information about this style. It's really weird because I am a hairstylist. I used to be a hairstylist in lots of events and salons, and also did a masterclass where I taught people about pin-up hairstyling, so that shouldn't be a problem. But for me, you know those kind of thing that you do without any thinking about it, well, it's a bit hard to explain then, so that's it. But yeah, no, this is mainly how I do my little bang that I've seen interest you. So yeah, I hope you like it. If you need anything else, let me know. I will be delighted. Problem, I don't know why I don't even go out, and it's not freezing here, and this video is filmed during the quarantine, and I have such a dry skin, so when I put some foundation it just crackles out everywhere. Hope you don't see it on camera. Anyway, so that's it. I will leave my hair like this and I'm very happy about it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, yeah, let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe, like, yeah, comment. I think that's it. I've seen there is also thumbs down lately. I saw you. But you know what? It is engagement too. So thank you for engaging with me, guys. And speak soon, take care, and see you in the next video. Cheers.